Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 7:25 in the morning. I had to get up super early. I'm up early because I have a nail appointment at 10 a.m. and I need to get ready. I need to get dressed. I need to get my kids ready. Like, it's just a lot of stuff that I need to do. So please don't judge me because I still have on my makeup from yesterday. We're not going to talk about it, okay? I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, take a shower, change clothes, find an outfit, all that. So come along with me while I do all of that.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in the box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another steak case. Bury my motherfucking chase bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in the middle being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this nigga house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting.
So it took me a while to get out of the house. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to get my nails done. It's been a long time since I got my nails done and I just wanted to get my nails done for the holiday season. I'm thinking something like this, like gold, white, fancy, kind of like glammy type nails. I think that's the perfect kind of nail set for the holidays because it's like gold and white and it goes along with everything. I'm now leaving the house and I am going to get my nails done because these are little ugly uglies.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, now she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the stove. I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock. If it
guys, I had to parallel park. Like, I had to parallel park and I do not know how to parallel park. So I was over here struggling, but I did it. I mean, I'm in here somewhere, somehow I'm in here. I also got my time mixed up. It wasn't 10 a.m. It was 11 a.m. and it is 9:54. So, oh my god, I can't believe I got that wrong. I think it's because I got more distractions and like more responsibilities, so I just forgot that it was at this time and not that time. Like, in the meantime, you guys look at my eye look today. Like, get into it, get into it, yeah, get into it, yeah, get into it, yeah, get into it, yeah. I'm not really like a out there person. Like, I'm not those type of people that vlog going everywhere, like from here to the freaking sun in the stars. I'm not that type of vlogger. I just get in, get out, go home, stay with my kids. Like, that's what I like to do. I'm not really like a, what you call it? I'm not really like an extrovert. I would rather just stay close with the people that I know and just chill and just vibe. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I wanted to do like the whole 12 days of vlogmas thing, but I can't keep up. Like, I know I couldn't edit and send the videos, put the videos up in time, so y'all just gonna get what y'all gonna get, and that's gonna be that for the month of December. I'm not even gonna number the days because y'all are not about to catch me slipping. Like, if I say something like I'm gonna do 12 days of vlogmas and I don't do 12 days of vlogmas, I know that y'all are gonna have my head. So nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. It's still kind of weird filming yourself in like the outer environment and not like in the comfort of your own home, because you never know who's watching you. Like, what if somebody right now is watching me from their window and they're just like,
why is this girl talking to herself?
Like, I don't want people to think that, but at the same time, it's like, you shouldn't care what people think about you, okay? You shouldn't care, because at the end of the day, you are you and they are they. So why should it matter? Why should other people's opinions affect what you do and how you move and how you operate? So yeah, I don't know. I got anxiety
Real bad.
I just got a vibe. Get into it, yeah. Pop out with a job. Get into it, yeah. Now that song is stuck in my head. If you got a judge, waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Oh, yeah.
Jerome Fandle.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, there's these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love. And still love and still love. Still love. Still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Gon' break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love. And still love and still love. Still love. Still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't eat and sleep past 9 a.m. Heart beating make me feel wrong again. Can't feed them, just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me.
camera died while she was doing my nails, but guys, look at my nails. My nails. I swear she does my nails so freaking good every single time. Like, every single time she slays. Now I am gonna go back home and probably do some laundry or something, but that was my little come along with me slash vlog slash vlogmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Peace.
Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get a hell yeah?